Hey there, gearheads. David here, your trusted mechanic. And in my years of rebuilding engines, I've seen the same devastating mistakes destroy otherwise healthy engines time and time again. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on the hidden damage that happens in those crucial first minutes of starting your car. You know that distinctive cold engine rattle on a winter morning? That sound might be warning you of thousands in future repair bills. Stay with me, because I'm about to share 5 critical cold start mistakes that could be cutting your engine's life in half. And trust me, the fourth one surprises even experienced mechanics. The science of cold starts. Picture this. Your engine has over 200 precision-engineered parts, all designed to work at specific temperatures. When cold, these metal components actually shrink up to 0.004 inches. Doesn't sound like much, but in engine tolerances, that's massive. Here's what that means for your morning startup. Mistake number 1. The rev-happy disaster. I cringe every time I hear someone fire up their car and immediately hit the gas. Those first 30 seconds are absolutely critical. Here's why. Your cold pistons are literally swimming in their cylinders, causing what we call piston slap. Every time you rev a cold engine, you're essentially using your pistons as sandpaper against your cylinder walls. I recently rebuilt an engine that lost 50% of its compression from this exact habit. Mistake number 2. The warm-up myth. Here's a controversial one. That long warm-up idle in your driveway isn't just wasting fuel, it's actively harming your engine. During cold idle, your engine runs with a rich fuel mixture that's washing oil off your cylinder walls. Plus, modern engines actually warm up faster and more effectively under light load. The solution? Start, wait 45 seconds, then drive gently. Mistake number 3. The oil viscosity crisis. This is something I see in my shop constantly. Engines destroyed by using the wrong oil viscosity. Think of cold oil like honey in the refrigerator. It moves slowly and leaves gaps in protection. Your engine experiences more wear in the first 20 seconds of operation than in 20 minutes of highway driving. Always use manufacturer-specified oil weights and consider switching to winter-grade oil in cold climates. Mistake number 4. The temperature gauge trap. Here's something most people don't realize. Your temperature gauge hitting normal doesn't mean your engine is fully warmed up. Your transmission fluid, differential oil, and bearing surfaces take significantly longer to reach optimal temperature. I recommend keeping engine load under 75% until you've been driving for at least 10 minutes. Mistake number 5. The short trip syndrome. This one's destroying more engines than ever with our modern driving habits. Those quick 5-minute trips to the store, they're a recipe for engine-killing condensation and fuel dilution in your oil. Water and fuel never get hot enough to evaporate out, creating a corrosive cocktail in your oil pan. I've seen engines with sludge buildup that looks like chocolate pudding from this exact issue. Additional expert tips. Install an accurate aftermarket temperature gauge. Most stock gauges only show you half the story. Consider an engine block heater if temperatures regularly drop below freezing. Modern synthetic oils help, but they don't eliminate the need for proper warm-up. Pay attention to unusual noises during cold starts. They're your engine's cry for help. The perfect cold start routine. 1. Start engine. Wait 45 seconds. Time it. 2. Drive gently for first 5 minutes, keeping RPMs under 2,500. 3. Gradually increase load as temperature builds. 4 turbocharged engines. At 2 to 3 minutes before pushing boost. 5. Monitor temperature gauge until fully warmed up. Your engine's longevity is literally in your hands during those first crucial minutes. If this video helped you understand your engine better, hit that subscribe button and notification bell. I'm dropping new tech tips every week to help you avoid expensive repairs and keep your ride running strong for years to come. Drop a comment below with your cold start questions or share your own engine-saving tips. Until next time, this is Dave reminding you, treat those cold starts right and your engine will thank you with hundreds of thousands of trouble-free miles.